Does your garage floor look like it lost a wrestling match with a car leaking oil? You've got options, my friend, and we're here to break them down. First up, garage floor tiles. Think of them like Legos for your floor, easy to install, super customizable with tons of colors and patterns. They're pretty tough, especially porcelain or rubber, but those grout lines can be a pain to keep clean, and some plastics aren't exactly eco-champions. Then there's epoxy flooring. This is the sleek, seamless, glossy look you see in fancy garages. It's super durable, chemical resistant, and can handle a lot of abuse. But fair warning, installation is a bit of a production, often needing pros, and traditional epoxies can release some nasty VOC while they cure. Plus, hot tire pickup is a real thing. It can lift your shiny new floor. But what if I told you there's a third option that's basically the superhero of garage floors? Here comes your eco-friendly lifetime green coatings. This bad boy is non-toxic, VOC-free, and surprisingly easy to apply. It's more durable than tiles and epoxy, resists pretty much everything you can throw at them, and dries super fast so you can get back to, well, whatever it is you do in your garage. So if you want a garage floor that's tough, looks great, and doesn't make Mother Earth or your lungs angry, the eco-friendly route is where it's at. Ditch the dull, embrace the durable, and go green.